Hello folks, William Caleb, the interweb strategist, back at you with another video, and this time we're going to do some training on how to get traffic to your affiliate links, specifically to your Easy 1-Up link. So how would you get traffic to your Easy 1-Up link? A lot of people will join business opportunities and join programs, and they still don't know how to get targeted visitors to that particular link, whether it be their capture page or their particular business opportunities sales presentation page. And today we're going to go over just a few simple strategies to start getting some traffic to those links. Okay, here we go. Now first I want to introduce you to my free training site, and you would find this at interwebstrategies.biz/free training. Very simple there. And as you can see at the top, the menu has 8 traffic lessons. There's traffic you can order right now. There is 18 traffic sources that are revealed. I'm going to go through all of this in just a second. There's a digital products creation training, just in case you want to create your own product and put it on the digital marketplace. And there's essential Facebook ads training. And there's even an option for us to install your online business for you. So let's go ahead and let's go through and see what we got here. Let's see. Now first is the 18 traffic sources. The following 18 traffic resources can be used for practically any niche. And these videos open in their own window. So as you can see, there's Bing advertising, there's SEO videos, and then there's other videos that talk about specific websites that you can go to and basically buy traffic from those sites. Because if you think about it, what would be one of the quickest ways to get traffic to your particular link? Go to a related site that already deals with your industry or niche, a website that is an authority that is already receiving traffic. So if you just go and get even just a small piece of that traffic from an authority site, well, that would give you just what you need to get your revenues generated. And that's what these different videos are. They contain website. They show you how to go and order traffic from a particular website. For example, let's take if we go to our brain here, if you click on that, I'll show you what happens in just a moment here. And as you can see, the video comes up, and it's basically going to be a full video that's going to tell you everything there is to know about ordering traffic from this particular website here. You just watch the video, and it's going to give you everything you need, the full process. And it's done that way for each of the videos. Okay, next is the Facebook quick traffic method. These are the 8 traffic lessons that you saw at the top menu there, and it starts with lesson 1 is the quick traffic method. Just play, and you can see what that's about. The video marketing. It's actually a playlist. There's going to be 6 videos within here. As soon as one finishes, the next one will automatically start. You're definitely going to want to check out this video marketing. It's one that I definitely use myself. How to use native advertising. That's not really a new advertising model, but it's sort of like buying traffic from authority websites. It sort of works that way, but there's a little nuance that you need to know about when it comes to native advertising and how it can quickly boost your traffic, the visitors, of targeted people who are looking for what you have to offer. And of course, our article, you can get free traffic from writing and submitting articles. That actually still works, folks. I know that's a little old school. Free traffic from ebook directories, submitting your free content, making your free content, just saving it as a PDF, which is an ebook, and then you just submit that ebook to various ebook directories, and you would get free traffic from that as well, because those ebook directories are authority sites. Starting to see a trend here. I thought you would. More with a little bit more detailed info on the YouTube, getting free traffic from using YouTube videos, free traffic from classified ads, specifically using Warrior Forum, which is still a big forum place, folks, where many online marketers gather. And solo ads, paid traffic with solo ads. This is just a brief tutorial on how to use solo ads. And then when you scroll down just a little further, you'll see make money online traffic providers that gets you sales. Now this is those, and at the top of the menu at the beginning of the video you saw it said you can order traffic directly. This is where I was talking about, and it works extremely well for the niche I'm in, and probably the niche you're in, which is the make money online. That's the home business, which is the work at home space. So here is the providers. The first one is here. If you just click on here, it'll go right to that resource, and you can find out all about this. It's a solo ad marketplace. The last video talked about solo ads, and here's a big marketplace where solo ad providers are. And in case you didn't know, a solo ad provider is simply someone who has a big email list of subscribers. For example, someone may have a list of 50,000 email subscribers that they have built up over time, and they allow you to send a message promoting your particular offer to their list. Very simple. And this is a marketplace that has many such providers, and there's ratings, and it keeps scrolling. You'll also see Udemy is another such solo ad marketplace, really an awesome spot. And then there's also an autopilot traffic service provider, and I'm going to show you some more as we scroll down. We also have another traffic service provider, Traffic for Me. You just click there and it takes you directly to the resource. Now, what I want you to know is this particular autopilot traffic, this one is actually not solo ads. This one is from a provider who sends traffic via pay-per-click traffic. And all that means is pay-per-click is such as where people would spend advertising dollars to have an ad show up on, say, the top of Google, the Google ads that display, or the Bing ads that display, and they typically use a pay-per-click model, meaning that advertiser pays so much cents for a click to their link. And this provider has already ran the campaigns, and he's got mega thousands of clicks available for anyone to just come and purchase however many clicks that they want to their particular link. Let's take a look at this Udemy solo ad center marketplace I was telling you about. Once again, it's a good place where many good solo ad providers are. And here is the Udemy solo ad marketplace. As you can see, this is just some of the past solos that I've done with this particular marketplace. But basically, you would go to where it says you could find sellers. Very simple how it works. And you'll see you'll be presented with various sellers here. You see how many likes they got, what they're charging per click. And when you see this little green symbol, $ symbol here, and the percentage, what that actually means is that's the percentage of people who got sales using their traffic. So not only do you see ratings, but you also know which providers are producing sales for people. That's a very big point I wanted to point out about this particular resources. But you can easily go to the interwebstrategies.biz /free traffic site for that. And another great traffic agency here. You definitely gonna want to check that out. And there's also the FB Ad Essentials. You see here is the FB Ad Marketplace Training. That's for actually running specific Facebook ads on Facebook's the paid advertising portion of Facebook. You're going to want to check that out to get detailed step-by-step instructions on that. And of course, we have a service with teamed up with Mr. Aaron Danker, and we have a service where we install full web sites. When you come to interwebstrategy.biz free training, you can just click on this button and get yours set up if you choose. But I just really wanted to show you these traffic providers, mainly because, you know, it's difficult getting traffic for your offer. That's going to always be your main issue here. You're always going to need traffic, and you could get the best opportunity in the world with the best compensation plan and even have the best team working with you. But if there are no targeted people coming to you to see what you have to offer, you'll never have any traction. So this is a way that you can have traction immediately. Okay, now you know there's 3 ways to get traffic. You know, you can go on through the forums and interacting with different blogs and doing the SEO route, but these take time. So in a sense, you could actually say there is no such thing as paid traffic. I mean, how can you say, there is no such thing as free traffic, rather. How can you say that when everything costs? If it's not going to cost you money, it's going to cost a great deal of time. So to me, it's all paid traffic. You're paying with something. So you could take that route, or you could just save up your pennies and nickels and come on in and buy some traffic. Now, this works mostly for the home-based business, the work-at-home niche, as I said, although this particular resource here, they have traffic for other niches as well. I'm going to let you leave it up to your own investigation. But me, I like to use traffic for the newest offer, the most recent opportunity I'm doing, which is the Easy One-Up opportunity that I've been speaking about. And of course, you can watch my other videos to see my reviews on the Easy One-Up business opportunity. Just go to youtube.com user info page, youtube.com/info page, and you'll see all my videos. By all means, I encourage you to subscribe. I'm producing videos very often, and subscribe, like, comment. I love interacting with the viewers of my videos. Now, I was talking about getting traffic to the newest business opportunity, Easy One-Up. Now, do you really want to send it to your Easy One-Up link? Think about that. The Easy One-Up link goes right to the opportunity sales page, and that's great to show people. What you really want to do is get them in your sales funnel. And of course, to do that, you need to have a good sales funnel, and I recommend the Funnel XRI system. You can start with the Funnel XRI system by simply going to dailyprofits.biz. It'll get you there, and you'll be, once you're in, it's a simple sign-up process. It's free to join, and inside of it, there are several income streams that you're going to activate it. The first one is going to be your Easy One-Up configuration, and once you have that set up, this Funnel XRI set up, you'll be sending the traffic to your Funnel XROI link. And let me show you what some of those look like in just a second here while it loads up. And here is the links page. These are what some of the capture pages look like. Simply select the one you like. It's actually a pretty good one, a somewhat newer one. Let's see. It's another good one there. Look at the backgrounds there. And they all have this survey style. Well, most of them do. The survey style ends. I greatly like this one. You can check this one out at secret.dailyprofits.biz. This is the main one. I'm currently using this one. It's the one you'll see at dailyprofits.biz. But you'll have access to these same squeeze pages. You'll be able to use them. Pretty awesome. And there it is. I just wanted to show you. Here's a few ads that you can use. But I just wanted to show you how to get traffic to your Easy One-Up link. The best way is to go through a sales funnel and pick one of these capture page links to use, and you send that traffic to one of these links. And there it is, folks. dailyprofits.biz.